I'm here at 523 B Street, apartment 3 in San Rafael. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath with over 1,100 square feet in Gerstle Park. Coming up the stairs, we're at the main entry with a nice sized patio with some electric hookup. Going inside, we come to the open concept living room and kitchen. Everything's been fully remodeled with new engineered hardwood, quartz counters, and plenty of storage. All the appliances are new with a gas range, and the living room is a good size. On the ground floor, we have 2 of the bedrooms. This one can easily fit a queen bed or makes a great office. This bedroom can also fit a queen bed, potentially a king. Overlooks the back parking area. The 2 bedrooms share a hall bath with a light up vanity, single vanity with storage, and a standing shower that's nice and tall. Living room is good size, perfectly set up for entertaining. And going upstairs is carpeted. We have the primary suite. This room can fit a king or queen bed, has 2 closets, and a gorgeous bathroom with standing shower and a single vanity with storage.